Welcome to Sunnyland. My name is John, and we want to welcome you to America's largest family-owned patio showroom. Today, we want to introduce a new collection from one of our premier manufacturers, OWE, and that's the Studio Collection. Some of the sleek, modern elements that are very much in demand today, and nothing but the highest quality. OWE, again, one of the premier manufacturers in the industry, has one of the best frame warranties in the industry, 20 years on structural, aluminum, and wrought iron, together with one of the best finishes in other elements, adds up to a phenomenal look, phenomenal quality, and low maintenance for your backyard patio. Zeroing in on something new, the sling product. It's called the Flex Sling. It offers a reasonable amount of comfort that you would get from a cushion. In addition, with airflow coming in and out, even more comfortable than perhaps in sitting in the cushion. And it has a great degree of flex, which is going to add to that comfort level for you. So easy maintenance, a lot of comfort, good to go. Certainly a winning combination for your outdoor patio. Looking at the table itself, also something that makes OWE stand out. Again, structural, aluminum, 20-year warranty. And this is an Italian porcelain heat-fired tabletop that is just about indestructible. Everyone knows that Italian porcelains are high quality, very, very hard finishes. And as long as they have a good underlayment, as in a floor, it's going to last a lifetime. OWE developed and is using one of the best in the business as far as that underlayment. It's a honeycomb structure that basically has no movement and gives you as close to a perfectly flat surface that we can use in furniture. So that just means that no air bubbles, and this hard top will probably last 2 lifetimes for you. So again, beauty, great design, low maintenance, perfect for every backyard.